Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the image and app. Open the keyboard settings now. If you use Gboard or SwiftKey, go straight to Themes or Toolbar. You do not need to reboot. Once you give permission to access photos, pick the image and crop roughly 16:9 or full screen so keys remain visible. Make sure the file is JPG or PNG and under 5 MB, otherwise, performance may lag. This step gets everything ready for the actual customization. Next, select Custom Theme or Wallpaper inside the keyboard settings and choose your prepared image. You will crop and reposition it. Do this to avoid placing important details under keys. Then adjust transparency, blur, or key borders so labels stay readable. Lower contrast can hide letters. Preview the sample keyboard and type a few characters to judge visibility. If letters are hard to see, increase key background opacity or add a subtle shadow. Finally, save the theme and set it as active, then test in messages or notes to confirm consistency. If the keyboard lags, crashes, or shows black areas, immediately revert to the default theme and try again with a smaller resolution image. This often fixes performance issues. If problems persist, make sure the keyboard app is updated, clear its cache, and verify storage permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: bad transparency or very large images cause most faults. Use a compressed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.